How's it going, everyone? This is Sean here from Scale Model Car Guy channel, and today's video is just going to be milk hog. And before we get this started, I want to thank you, my subscriber. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. Subscribing is free. Free. Never costs you a thing. I don't ask you for anything, never will. You know, if you ever feel free to get a hold of me for anything, though, I always leave my description below. And if I ever mention anybody in this video that's got a YouTube channel, I always leave the description, their link below to their videos. And if I ever mention anybody, I always go like, share, and subscribe. Help support this modeling community. It's an awesome community, guys. And there's so many people on here now I never would have thought would ever happen. It's hard to get to everybody, but I try to get around. When I do, I do. And I only expect the same for me, guys. This community is about helping each other. You know, supporting each other. You know, positive feedback. You know, we have good group builds on here. You know, everybody in the community, there's always some kind of group build for anybody out there. Whether you like the Pro Street, whether you like the Street Machine, whether you like the small scale, foreign cars, your vintage cars. I mean, you got Gasser group builds, you got the Mustang group build, you know, Porsche group build. There's so many group builds, guys. It's awesome to be a part of it. And yeah, y'all just check everybody out. Check out the community. It's a great community. And it's not just models, guys. We got our die-cast guys, little Hot Wheels, you know, dinky restorations. You got RC guys. You got the slot car guys. You got the military modelers. You got the figure painters, Gav. You know, there's so many people I could mention, you know, so many different groups on here, and they're all awesome, guys. So whatever floats your boat, go check them out. All right, I'm going to shut my mouth. Well, I'm not going to shut my mouth. Y'all love it if I shut my mouth. All right. Well, today I got the fat man from Alabama, old Don's Garage. I will leave a link in the description below for him. He sent me his stickers. I finally got my stickers. Thank you, Don. Appreciate you, brother. Thank you. Go check quality builds. Don's awesome. He's been around. He's as old as I am. He's been around for a long time. You know, he's whatever he does, he's good at it. Scratch building, you name it, good at it. Go check him out. All right, now this shout out goes to. He's not a YouTuber. We've tried to get him to be a YouTuber, not just me, but other content creators. Maybe one of these days he will, but me and old Tony Lancer, we do a lot of trading. Of course, you know, he does a lot of trading with everybody else in the community too. And we did a trade, and I got mine in. I got me another one of these Corvettes. Now, actually, that was thrown in. He just gave me that. That wasn't for the trade, but thank you, Tony. Then I got this right here, the original issue. Revell 26T Street Rod, Little John Ventura, and it's from 1975. 1975, guys. Never been built. Awesome kit. Thank you, Tony. And then coup de grace is this one right here. Y'all know I love, this is not a Johan, but, you know, this is one of the next best things. I love my AMCs. I love Johans, and that's what I love so much about Johan. But this is the MPC, and it's the bigger scale. It's the 120 scale, but it is a 1969 AMX. So that is Craig Breedlove record-breaking AMX right there. I have the MPC 120 scale 70 AMX. So now I got the 69. Different grills, guys. A little bit of differences to them, but thank you, Tony. There's the side box arch. You can see that right there. I'm not for sure what the date is, if they even put a date on this box. Let's see. I'm sure not seeing a date, but it is an old one. Thank you. Thank you very much. And then for Father's Day, you know, I had to work Father's Day. I had to, you know, I've been working a lot, guys. I haven't had no time for nothing. But for Father's Day, my son, Chris Wilkins, he ordered from Chris from C1 Models. He always orders from C1. I've ordered from C1 Models. Chris orders from C1 Models from Chris at C1 Models. And he ordered me this. Now, you know, I own a 1970 MGB GT real car. Now, of course, it needs to be restored. It does run, but it needs to be restored. And, man, I love my MGBs. And this is the MGC GT. And the difference is this would have been the 6-cylinder, the straight inline 6-cylinder car. And this is my other one from Chris. And it's the regular MGB GT. And these are trans kits, and they're from C1 Models. No, I'm not sponsored by them. Hey, I would take a sponsor by C1 Models, Chris. But this is C1 Models. Y'all know I love my C1 Models. I built the Rabbit pickup, or Caddy pickup. Got one built, and I still got one in the box. Yeah, just great all around stuff. The Volkswagen van, I built it, or well, it's the Volkswagen Bug van conversion. I built it. Y'all seen that. But this one here, this is one great kit, and I will do an unboxing on it for you guys. Just I haven't had time. My only day off. Got to go back to work for a few days, but hopefully I'm going to be off for a couple of weeks. And with that being said, I got a my subscriber appreciation giveaway, and for the ones that know, that responded to my video when I said I was going to give a giveaway, I'm going to try this weekend to do the giveaway. It don't matter where you live, whatever. If you responded to that video, you're in the drawing. So keep an eye out for that, and I will get that out. And let me see. I think I haven't gotten a lot done, you know, but I've gotten the side rails. I don't know if you can see on the pickup right there, and I still got a lot of cleanup to do. I've got the extension put in. I got a lot of cleanup to do still, sanding and all that stuff. Good cleanup to do on that. Y'all can see right there. This is going to be part of my Porsche group build. Of course, you know, this is not the Porsche, and I got the Porsche right here. I've not even started it yet, but I will get on it. And just to show you, and then I showed y'all the other day, I showed y'all this 904 Porsche by Aurora. It's an old built-up kit. But this is what the look I'm going for right here, guys. This is going to be the, I can't even think of the name right now. It's going to be the Porsche Hauler. And there you go. That's what it's going to look like, but, you know, better job on this. I got a new one right here in the box. Still to build. And I'll get it built, and that's going to be the one I'm going to put behind it. And that will be for my Porsche group build. Sponsored by, I think it's Matt, Lucas, my buddy BG, Brian, and Chucky Monster, Chucky. So just consider that a little bit of an update. That's all I've gotten done. The Mustang group build, I've got it over here in paint and clear coated. I've had it sanded, clear coated. It's turned out pretty good. Needs good wax, and I can get more done on it. Only thing that I've really gotten done, like here's a, I don't know if it'll focus. There's the Mustang wheels. You can see I got them painted. Got the steel wheel rim painted. The hubcap painted. I got the hubcap drilled through. Got the center cap painted. You can see right there. It's going to be one cool little Mustang. Little 6-cylinder Stang. You don't see those very often, but yeah, other than that, I think that's all I got going on, guys. Thank you, Tony. Thank my son, Chris. Thank you. Thank you, Chris from C1 Models. Thank you, Don, Fat Man from Alabama. Love you guys. Bye.